Good evening. Today is about 20, no? Again, mas more fun in Cebu, no? Again, thank you to the Salimbango, no? Again, dito tagalinga nga, gikan pag sa Hong Kong, by which nawag nga, magpa-treat no, and then, malagi na, it's all about education, and then, the family sa katong, ano, retired lieutenant from Florida, by which, no, here, again, no? So, mauni, no? Again, there, when you go there, bago lagi, no? In the whole world, Basamis, nga, pesta maron sa, open by which no nahurot lang kung baterya nga ng Amerikano nangutana. What's that? Amerikano ha? From America? There you are no? Again here. So here no again after we change to modified into spring, which like you know, wala ko yung capital no there. And now I'm thankful for ang Angelo no muni akong kuan, akong usa sa akong ideas no. By which lang siya mohimo ani. Again here, again based on the stress siya. So Angelo again no. To educate all the Filipino people, yeah. To educate them, we're live here, again, to educate all the Filipino people. So here, our product, because I want to educate also, no? There, our product is about new, no? This is the old, from the hospital stress test, no? From the John Hopkins School of Medicine, Harvard University, there, again, giputol na to, no need of balance, no pain on the gluteal muscles. There you are, no? Our winner committer, by which no whole world naman siguro nito because ang mga foreigner, especially said to the patient no, from America lagi nga sophisticated kay sila. Uy, may buong siyang what's that, no? Diyan karon ako ginihayo sa ang ilong ako manag, no? Mo lagi ni Philippine Airlines sa una, amuan na may airlines Cebu Pacific Airlines by which ang bago lagi karon, morbid sa moon, no? Na space, Virgin Galactic Space by which no, si Branson, no here, no, pinaka-unique lagi na nga space tourism nga. Ang bayad sa Pilipinas is 14 million sa PT nimo 548 pesos no by which fully booked na there no ni Richard Branson by which puro mi mga bago but si Richard Branson it's about nga space tourism mind is people's health again people's health no again mind then mo to sa una I'm really sorry no nga sa una i-video kita mo kay why because nga mapakita na ko the effectiveness of Arwen ergometer no by which medicine not taking orally or Lisimitel, Arzimitel, Yora, and in Japanese, di ba kaya na kumemorize, no? Again, cheers. No. Again, wapo kay paghimo na ni Angelo, no? There. Lagi, mo pili lagi ka. Now, by paway sa taniko, ano, papawayon sa nato si atong patient, no? By which tomorrow, amo ni gamiton sa atong taga Masbati, no? There. No? Again, pwede lagi gamot, pwede og tiil. Again, man ipakita na to. Again, to all the Filipino, no? This is our product by which no nga, oy, gitagaan kita no? There, again, updated there for the hand. This is for the foot. Hand and foot, yeah? Again, thank you. Thank you to Angelo, no? Muna tuwang, kuhan, hopefully, we kuhan, no? Mugawa sa market. Hopefully, mahalin ang mong lahat, no? Again, thank you.